I'm going to talk about smart contracts, what they are, how we use them, and why it's a big deal that it's on the blockchain. Good morning, Metaverse. I'm Thor with the OCG Guild. First of all, a smart contract is a contract, any contract really, that can be automatically executed upon the completion of specific criteria. So a simple example would be a vending machine. You have your money, you have a bag of chips that you want to get. You put your money in the vending machine, you type in a button, and the bag of chips is dispensed. You grab your bag of chips, and everybody goes home happy. That's a smart contract. In the world of finance, smart contracts exist too. It's a debit card. You have a debit card. On that debit card, tied to a bank account. If you purchase items, they ring up your items. They tell you the amount that you owe. You swipe the card. You hit your code. That completes the criteria required, access to your bank account. Those funds are withdrawn from the bank account. That's the next criteria. And then the transaction is complete. You take your items and you leave happily. Another smart contract. So how does this work, and what's the big deal of it being in the blockchain or part of the blockchain? Well, the blockchains such as Ethereum have incorporated smart contracts so that you can take the power of smart contracts and the power of a trustless transaction. You have the blockchain, which is an extremely secure and private network where you can be confident that one person to another, when you set that smart contract in, that it will automatically execute and there is no middleman for it. The encryption power of the blockchain is what gives the extra benefit to that smart contract. And if you have a situation where you have smart contract and a secured trustless network, then you can start having the transactions that require individuals to be in person or to have title companies, to have notaries to verify that these transactions are legitimate. You're able to eliminate those middlemen, and those transactions can execute very quickly. And this speeds up business. This also increases the security by eliminating the human element, the human error. As long as the smart contract is written well, then the contract will execute correctly. Now, that's the key point is with smart contracts, once you start them, there is no stopping them. So it's very important, extra important, that those smart contracts are written properly. Now, in comparison, contracts in regular non-blockchain world, you write that contract and then it gets to the point of it's supposed to be executed and maybe you have litigation, or maybe you have someone that doesn't show up to a title closing, and there is a physical delay to that, keeping it out of the legal system. If you go into the smart contract and it's automatically executed, everybody's aware of the criteria from the very beginning, and then no one, not even the person that whether it's benefiting you or not, no one's able to stop that until it's completed. And that takes away a lot of inconveniences and uncertainty when it comes to non-smart contracts. So I hope that gives you an idea of what smart contracts are and how they're used, and to see how putting two very powerful tools together can give you some very powerful outcomes. You don't have to worry about liking or subscribing. Just if you think this video would be helpful to somebody else, go ahead and share it. And if you can do that, then today was a good day. Good morning, Metaverse.